Hello, class. Today we will be talking about vaccines. What is a vaccine?
A vaccine is made from very small amounts of weak or dead germs that are injected into your body to increase your likelihood to become immune to disease.
How are vaccines tested for safety?
Before a vaccine is recommended for use, it is tested for several years. The FDA uses the test done on thousands of volunteers to evaluate its safety and effectiveness. The FDA must license a vaccine before it can become legal.
Is a vaccine only tested before it is sold?
No. The company of the vaccine tests it to make sure the vaccine is potent, pure, and sterile. The FDA and CDC will review these results and make sure it is okay.
Is the FDA the only agency that monitors vaccines?
No, the Vaccine Adverse Events Reporting System and more also test every vaccine.
Why are vaccines so important?
It is better to prevent a disease than to treat it after it occurs. I can't read. Diseases that used to be common in this country and around the world, including polio, measles,
skip them.
a whooping cough, German measles, mumps, tetanus, and other things can now be prevented by vaccination. Thanks to a vaccine, one of the most terrible diseases in history, the smallpox, no longer exists outside of the laboratory. Over the years, vaccines have prevented countless cases of disease and saved millions of lives.
Is there some harmful substances in vaccines?
Ingredients such as thimerosal, formamide, and formaldehyde, and aluminium can be harmful in large doses, but they are not used in harmful quantities in vaccines. Children are exposed to more aluminium in breast milk and infant formula than they are exposed in vaccines.
Do you think the government should have a say in whether people get vaccinated or not?
I think medical decisions for children should be left to the parents or caregivers.
How do adverse reactions happen to patients who have gotten their flu shots?
The most common side effect of vaccines is anaphylaxis, which is a severe allergic reaction. So the most common side effect of vaccines occurs in 1 per several hundred or 2. The most common side effect of vaccines occurs in 1 per several 100,000 to 1 per million vaccinations. So it is very rare that you will have a severe reaction to a vaccine.
Do vaccines help save money?
In the long run, vaccines cost less in time and money to obtain than infectious disease cost in time, off of work, to care for a sick child, potential long-term disability care, and medical costs.
Do vaccines affect future generations?
Vaccinated mothers protect their unborn children from viruses that could potentially cause birth defects, and vaccinated communities can help eradicate diseases for future generations.
Bye. No. Hello, class. Today we will be talking about vaccines. What is a vaccine?
A vaccine is made from...
About vaccines.